Hello again. We in the next video we are trying to now answer question related to which artists sell the most. So if you go back to your assignment, which artists sell the most? More specifically, show top 20 artists. Do they sell tracks in one genre or across multiple genres? We know the most popular genre is Australia and Europe and in Asia, and now we're looking at different artists and across genres in terms of their selling quantity. So we're back to our Tableau. If you remember, we had the first worksheet completed. We're going to click on the new worksheet right below here, and we're ready to answer the next question. So since this is about artists, we will find the mentioned artist and drop it in rows, and here they are. We are still talking about the quantity that they're selling, so we will drop that in columns, we also can actually drop the quantity itself as a label so that we see the amount. If for some reason you do not see these whole numbers, because I think I already changed it in my version of Tableau, you can always go to the actual label and go under format and go under numbers, custom, and change that to 0. That's how you do it. So we'll exit out of that. Since we wanted to link these artists relative to the genre they sell, we will actually select genre again and drop it as a color. And we obviously have way too many, but that's okay for right now. What we still need to do is be able to focus on a region. So we will again do filter and focus on Asia and Europe as before. You remember how we want to show the filter so we see them. One thing that is becoming apparent now is I keep filtering on Asia and Europe, so why not make that a global filter? So every time I start a new worksheet, the filter is there. You can do that by selecting apply to worksheet and then all using this data source. So we're using one data source and we can just make it like that. So you see there's a little icon. Just make sure that every time we start a new worksheet we will use that same filter. Now what we need to do is show top 20, and the way we would do that, we would select artist and go to filter, and there's this functionality called top. So we want to find top 20, so we'll click by field top 20, change that to 20, by quantity using sum function. Say OK, and here they are, and we will now use the sort by descending, and we have our question answered. The only thing I don't necessarily like is maybe I prefer these numbers to be more white, so I will go and change this label. If it lets me do it, it should. There we go, they're white. Maybe I make them size 8. Again, this is all personal preferences. Say OK, so now they all appear and they are visible. And here it is. This is our next question. The only thing we need to do is probably again label it better. So we will do the same trick. Top 20 artists in, and if you remember that trick, we will again use it for regions. Do OK. Rename the sheet top 20 artists, and we are on our way. We know what the top 20 artists, and we do know that some of them sell across multiple genres and others like Metallica only single genre. And that's it for this question, and next one we will be tackling questions regarding the region sales and comparison of regions.